Hey, Rob Blog with Shipa, and today I'm very excited to announce that Shipa is now part of the SUSE Rancher Marketplace. To get started, go ahead and log into your Rancher installation and come to Apps and Marketplace, click on Charts. Then you'll be searching for particular partner charts, and just go ahead and filter on Shipa. And here we are, the Shipa tile. Click on the Shipa tile, it has a few pieces of information for you to look over. Go ahead and click Install. You don't have to install it into a project if you don't want to. Go ahead and click Next. And the only two required settings are particular initial admin users. So we can say admin@acme.com, and we can say initial admin password is admin1234. Now there are a few optional settings here if you have to, instead of using a load balancer, using a cluster IP or node port, but we're going to go ahead and use the particular load balancer. Click Install. And the installation should be taking place. The installation will take a few moments to complete. Looks like the installation just kicked off, and we'll wait for a few moments for it to be complete. And the installation is being rounded out. Now the installation is complete. We can see that the installed application Shipa has been deployed. And now it's time to actually wire up Shipa to your Shipa CLI. You can install the Shipa CLI by running a curl command in the blog post. Assuming that you already have the Shipa CLI installed, we can actually run this particular command here that I'll paste in to grab the Shipa host. Then we'll go ahead and add a Shipa target of that Shipa host. Say sure. That's our current target list. And finally, we're going to do a Shipa login with the bootstrap credentials. So it's Acme or admin@acme.com. Then admin1234. Perfect. And now we want to grab the Shipa UI. So we just say Shipa app list. And we can actually head to our dashboard. Copy and paste this in. Head to the browser, crack open a new tab. And boom, here we are at the Shipa dashboard. Hopefully that was pretty easy to install Shipa with Rancher and Shipa. There's a lot of art possible. And cheers next time, Ravi.